My name is Mario. It's a pleasure to have you here. We are your outdoor adventurers where we cover everything outdoors. Today's video, we are doing an unboxing on the Holystone HS430, which can be found on Amazon. I'll drop a link for you below. We got a code for it as well. It is currently on sale, and the drone can be purchased for $52. Now, this is the new foldable drone. It's got a 1080p camera. So we're going to go ahead and do the unboxing. I'm going to go ahead and edit this back out later on. So this is the HS430 mini drone, and the box, here you go, just nice little gray box, the drone on the inside. Now this is going to be a foldable drone. Let's see on the box itself. Real nice and simple, but foldable mode, HD camera, circle fly, high speed resolution, and then a picture of the drone again, and just some information. So I've already gone ahead and charged up one battery on this, so officially I've already opened the box, but for you guys I put everything back in. You can see it's nice and packed, nice and tight. You got your manual in here, you got your cautions of battery, instructions as well. Guys, I tell everybody this in all of the videos. One of the biggest questions I come across all the time is a question that is typically answered in the manual. Everybody out there is going to give, and I feel bad because everybody says, did you read the manual? Honestly, it's a valid question, because a lot of the times, 95 and 98% of the time, the issue you're having can be found in the manual. And then you can come back and say, yeah, man, I read the manual, and on page such and such it says to do this, and my drone is not doing that. It leads into a much more educational conversation versus people that go ahead and butt heads on it. So back to the HS430, it does come with the manual. The manual has all the information in for it. It has the caution of batteries, tells you what to do and what not to do with the batteries. Now I'm going to be interested in seeing, because a lot of time Holystone will give you a free battery if you download the app, and I want to see if that is going to be in this manual or not. One moment. Okay, so operation guide, download the app, scan the QR code, connect the App Store or Google Play, and download the HPV application for free. Now, typically what happens is when you download that app, and we will look once we go in there and actually set everything up, there's typically a claim-free battery option in there. This drone already comes with 3 batteries. And you can see how well they pack this in there. I like that they use the molded plastic, so it holds everything in place for you. I'll eventually go ahead and upgrade a case for this as well. You guys do know I'm donating a lot of the other drones. This one is actually going to be going ahead. I'm going to keep this one and fly this one. The camera on this one is supposed to be a regular camera, but it's supposed to have decent pictures. We're going to see what the actual 1080p does. So it comes with 3 batteries already included. I've gone ahead and I've already charged up one of the batteries to fly. Of course, you have included your foldable mini drone. I get a kick out of it. I like the look of it. I'm actually going to go ahead and put a skin on this drone. The vinyl does not weigh much, and it's going to give me the opportunity to go ahead and play with it and design it the way I like. But it's the, and I don't want to say it's brushless motors. I'm going to have to take a look. But real nice, light, and built well. The controllers, see, they got it's in there well. And the extra components. Okay, so in the bag of components, now it's missing a charger because I took one of the chargers out originally to charge the battery. And I'm just gonna go ahead and rip this open and put it all back in there. So everything that comes in here, they get the extra propellers in here. You get your little propeller prop protectors. You've got the little mini propeller replacements. Then there is, of course, your screwdriver to go ahead and work on it, and the Holystone controller. So this one will take 3 AAA batteries, and for setting this one up, it looks real nice and basic. Let's see. Okay, there's our phone holder on the front, and that will extend to hold your phone. If you're anything like me, the phone that I have a case on it that has a mount on the back. I can't use that phone mount with the controller. There's nothing wrong with the controller. It's the camera case on my phone. If I take the camera case off, my phone sits, and I'm running the Samsung SE10 phone, and it fits right in there. Like the controls, I have not had any issues with any of the Holystone controls. I'm a fan of them. They work well. This one is a little more ergonomically interesting. You've got, there's the triggers back here, but there's no pads or anything. But for controller wise, and I used to be a big gamer, that feels like the PS3 and PS4 controllers, and I'm okay with that. I'm good with it. So this is everything that came in the box. Once again, this is the HS430. And I will get to you guys the links up there. So a couple of things with the drone real quick, and I'm just reading this off of Amazon. So there are more than 10 different functions. You have the high-speed rotation, circle fly, trajectory flight, voice control, gesture control, gravity control, throw to go, headless mode. I don't recommend the headless mode. I'm not sure how many people actually do enjoy using it. I can't keep up with it because it throws the way I look at the drone, fly the drone off. One key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, 3D flip, and VR. In regards to GPS, I'm gonna have to look. I'm gonna have to look. I don't believe this one is GPS. I believe this one is just gonna be the where it's gonna do the vertical hold for you, but it's still gonna be a free fly drone. All right, so guys, once again, this is gonna be the HS430. I'm a fan. Definitely recommend picking it up. Go over and check out the website page as well, the RC Life by, what is it, Air, Land, and Sea. Go ahead and jump on there. You'll see some of the videos. We already have it out there. Check out Jason's videos. Check out Ryan Strickland, Jason Gunnis. I believe Jerry may have one coming in or have one to fly. If not, I know he's got one of the micros. And Pablo just picked one up. So we're looking to go ahead and see. Oh, and see right there. There's your example. Perfect example. So Pablo sent me a text message. He got the drone in. He ordered yesterday and he got it today. So that tells you anything. It was fast shipping. But he got the drone in and he sent me a thing and it was beep, 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 beep. And it was beeping in the back. And he said, why is it beeping at me? The very first question I asked him, did you charge batteries? And did you read the manual? Battery was not charged fully. So that resolved his issue. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get a battery in here. I'm gonna go ahead and get it charged up. Well, not charged up, we have the battery in. And I'm gonna take this outside. Give me a minute and I'm just gonna carry all this out with me. And we will get this up in the air and do a quick test flight for it as well. So stick around, and I do appreciate everybody that is tuned in. You guys, most of you already know what today is. It's the day before the wedding. I wanted to get the video out there for you guys to see as well. Holystone, always appreciate the products, and I definitely recommend them. There are a couple out there that if you have questions, let me know. There's a couple I recommend, a couple that I'm a little iffy on. But the ones that I like, I will definitely recommend. Bear with me, I'm gonna go ahead and open the door.